Hello, today in front of me I have POCO X4 GT smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 widgets for this device. So first of all, in order for us to be able to get to the widget menu, just choose any vacant or basically free spot you have on any of your home screens, long press, wait for this menu to appear, and then tap on a widget icon that is located at the bottom part of your display. Here we have the widget menu where all the widgets that are currently available divided into convenient categories. So the first widget we would highly advise on getting is obviously a clock widget. So choose the design, choose the layout that you'd like. I'll go with this one for example, and then drag it, well, somewhere. I've just accidentally cancelled it, so let me do it once again and place it right here. The second widget that would also be a very useful one is the weather widget. So let me find the weather category that is located right here. Here we have two designs, two layouts to choose from. I'll go with this one, which shows the degrees and some other minor info. So let's go ahead and activate the weather widget just like so. Here we gotta choose the place of our current stay. And once I get back to the screen, you can clearly see that it shows the current weather situation. In my case, in Krakow. Alrighty, and the final widget that we would highly recommend on getting is located at the Google category of widgets. So let's go ahead and find it. Here it is. And this widget is the very convenient and necessary to have search bar. So let's go ahead and drop it right here. I'll also tap and hold on the widget itself once it is added, in order for this frame to appear, which allows me to change its size, so I can either make it bigger or shrink it down like so, but I'll make it to be almost the width of the screen itself. And that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.